I did a co-op as a supply chain analyst.
I'm a control software designer.
Project coordinator co-op.
Accounting co-op.
Yeah, I'm a supply chain co-op analyst. I am in data systems co-op here at Eclipse Automation.
I wanted the exposure to all the aspects of the project.
I applied to it thinking I'm not really interested in supply chain, but why not? And after doing that, now I'm actually changing my specialization and I'm going to do supply chain.
Here you get to do something on the computer and you're seeing a robot move, or you're seeing the data and how it's working all through the machine.
It's been a really valuable experience for me.
It's a learning environment, meaning they nurture you and help you, or you can always reach out for help. Already, in the sense of not even leaving here yet, I can already see how much I've learned and the impact of what I've learned.
Everyone has been very supportive and communicative to me.
I believe a co-op opportunity is to give us the chance to be able to apply our skills and knowledge and also enhance them, and also be able to gain new knowledge and experience.
I felt like I was actually a member of the team and I wasn't just, a student.
Despite being a co-op student, I'm still trusted with various tasks. And because of this, I can feel like I'm really making a difference.
You get so many different experiences, so many opportunities, and even just the time that I've been here, I've been able to work on a little bit of the COVID test kits, but also an Android handheld, making an app for that.
Gives me a lot of great opportunity here, and also gives me a great networking opportunity, which is great for my career.
People around, not only in the department, but everyone in different building or location, they're very friendly and they're willing to help.
I was doing my updated resume and it was like 10, 12 items I was able to add, versus most people, they were doing like cold calls or data entry.
Gives me the opportunity to enhance my skills and knowledge, and also be able to gain industry concepts.
I'm really applying and really doing real things.
The biggest difference between the classroom and actually in the workforce would be seeing the process of how everything comes together, how different people play different roles.
The industry concept is really different from what we learn in theory, and I knew that, but I didn't know to what extent and to what level.
I definitely learned a lot of skills that I can take either back to school or just to life in general.
And my supervisors and seniors always create opportunity for me to exceed my capacity and ability.
I can see, when people are talking about something, I actually know what they're talking about, and I can say, oh, I've worked on that, or I've used this technology.
For someone looking for a co-op, I think my main word of advice would be to look for something that's going to set you up for the future, something that's really going to give you the tools and give you the experience that you want.
Work hard and willing to learn.
Don't go in overconfident. At the end of the day, you're there to learn. They know you're there to learn. Let them teach you.
Ask as many questions as possible, because that's how you're going to learn. That's also how you're going to be able to apply yourself more and be able to do more things once you become more knowledgeable.
You don't have to know everything right at the beginning of your co-op, but with the right people around you, they'll train you.
The more willing you are to learn, the more you're going to learn, and the better the experience is going to be overall.
I would definitely recommend Eclipse for a co-op.
Definitely, yeah.
I'd recommend it 100%.
Definitely.
Yes.
I'm excited to come back and work here again. I know it's going to be something different. I'm not going to be doing the same thing over and over again.